Thanks so much. It's wonderful to have the opportunity to be with you today. I've so much enjoyed. I never take time off to attend conferences, so it's been really good to learn so much from others today. I'm Jenny Williams, and I have the privilege to lead Habitat in Ireland, and I'm delighted to have the opportunity to share a wee bit about our social enterprise, Habitat ReStore, and its impact. At Habitat for Humanity, we believe that everyone, everywhere, should have a safe place to live. For nearly 30 years, our mission has called thousands of people in Ireland to action, breaking down barriers, challenging stereotypes, focused on building a better future for families here at home and around the world. We certainly don't pretend that ReStore can fix all the challenges that we have, but we believe we can be part of the solution. Habitat ReStore, as I said, is our social enterprise, and it's mission-driven and sustainable. We launched the first ReStore in Europe in Lisburn 10 years ago, helping to tackle a real issue for our community. Poverty and inequality, youth unemployment, and persistently high reusable waste remain key issues across Ireland, and the cost of living crisis highlights the continued need for alternative ways to deliver for local people. Building on the success of ReStores in the US and Canada, we have proven with 4 stores in Northern Ireland and now 1 in Drogheda since April that the model works. Being mission-driven is key to its success. Donors, partners, and customers are clear about the impact of their support. ReStore directly tackles poverty here in Ireland and delivers real impact against the Sustainable Development Goals by diverting DIY and home improvement materials from landfill, which protects the planet. Why ReStore? ReStore delivers real impact for real people. Too many families across Ireland can't afford even the basics, so home maintenance is pushed way down the list. ReStore empowers families by providing affordable products and services, helping those with limited resources to make vital improvements to their homes. Our target is to serve families on low income, but we welcome environmental champions and bargain hunting everybody. We work hard to make sure it's a welcoming and enjoyable shopping experience. ReStore also creates employment and volunteering opportunities for people of all ages, backgrounds, and abilities. Retired volunteers have so much to give in helping provide buddy support for those who need extra help. People who are marginalised, those with mental health challenges, offending histories, or just needing support for employment. And of course, we divert thousands of tons of reusable material from landfill, helping protect the environment. One of our mission principles is that everybody has something to give and something to gain from building strong community. And we see that lived out in ReStore. We see people grow as they partner with us. Volunteers and partner agencies like the Probation Board, Action Mental Health, and others testify to the impact for individuals. I was telling someone earlier about a colleague called Lisa, and she came to ReStore in Lisburn about 4 years ago, towards the end of her custodial sentence. She so much enjoyed being part of our team, and she later applied for a job and has now worked in ReStore for nearly 3 years. She's one of the biggest advocates for its impact. She would tell you if she was here that ReStore gave her hope in days when she felt there would be no chance to rebuild her life. There was hope, and she did. And I'm just so delighted that yesterday we have appointed Lisa as ReStore manager for our new Belfast store, which will open before Christmas. Every volunteer has a story to tell about ReStore, and I let Jenny, another Jenny, share hers, and it'll also give you a chance to see round a ReStore.
I enjoy volunteering in ReStore because the I've been lucky enough to have a home that's been secure all my life, and I feel like that's so fundamental for everybody that I just love the fact that Habitat's aim is to have a home, a safe place for everybody to live. In the shop you can really see that a lot of people who wouldn't be able to afford to furnish their homes or buy the DIY things, the paint, the equipment to do up their house, wouldn't be able to afford it in the everyday stores, and they can come here and buy a full kitchen for a lot less. One of the things that I hadn't expected, one of the impacts of ReStore is that people with additional needs who are here on supported placement are able to work alongside us. I used to work in schools with special needs children, and so I really enjoy that aspect of working alongside, where they're not seen as separate, but we're all working together in the same way as one community. That is a thing I didn't expect Habitat to have as part of it.
The business model only works when we have donated materials. So partnerships with companies, especially in the construction sector, local authorities and other organisations are critical to its success. We've developed some strong partnerships with companies like Murdoch's Building Supplies and with B&Q. And I think it's important to say that we're not in competition with anybody else because we don't have any continuity of supply. So we're also always looking for new partners. Companies connect for different reasons, but we know we help companies deliver on their sustainability targets and their community reinvestment targets. It's all about win-win impact. In this last year, 5 ReStores have helped 65,000 people access low-cost materials to improve their homes. We've supported 25 people into employment. We've provided a new home for 150 kitchens that we rescued through our Kitchen Rescue programme. And we've diverted 1,000 tonnes of reusable material from landfill. We work with architects and builders where there are materials we can reuse. And we look forward to building new partnerships. We know we're strongest when we can work together with others in the social enterprise sector, construction reuse, and of course, in our broader global work. The only other ReStore in Europe is in Warsaw, where they've been providing a vital response to help refugees from war in Ukraine. ReStore is also unique in the range of materials that we're able to take, everything for the home, helping more people have a safe place to live. And it's possible because of the size of our stores. Drogheda is 14,500 square feet, and our target size for scale across Ireland is 10,000 square feet. We also work to engage young people through interactive youth programmes, including our Waste Our World, which was developed out of ReStore and helps join the local and global dots. As children learn more about why it's vital to reduce waste in Ireland, we also help them understand why sustainable development is so important for the whole world. ReStore works for everybody. It delivers for people and the community. It delivers against reuse targets and aligns with government strategies for social enterprise, waste action plan, circular economy, as well as delivering positive impact for health, social change, and other government priorities. We're thankful for the support we've had from Rethink Ireland's Social Enterprise Fund, which helped us refine our scaling strategy, and from dormant account funds, which I think bought about half of our forklift in Drogheda, but greatly appreciated. With a small, dedicated staff team and hundreds of volunteers, ReStore delivers because it's mission-driven, community-focused, and sustainable. Our goal for scale is ambitious: 10 stores in the Republic and 2 more in the North. And it will need partnership and community support to make it happen. But the impact is so important, and we believe we can make it happen. Thank you.